Lose belly fat in 7-day challenge. With 4 miracle ingredients. 4 miracle ingredients. Change your body shape. That actually works. Ingredients: dried ginger, peppercorn, long pepper, honey. All ingredients are available in Amazon and Walmart stores. Direction: the first 3 ingredients. Grind well proportionately. Keep the powder in a glass jar. Mix the powder and honey, 1 tablespoon each. Keep the consistency like paste. Daily eat the miracle mix after dinner. Then slowly, drink a glass of warm water. You can see the result visibly within a week. Upon results, please update your before and after image there on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our channel for more informative tips.